Hi and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In today's video training we will be learning about how to track user activity using JavaScript. With JavaScript you can do lots of amazing things. Today we are going to learn how to track users activity on our website. We will be using a very simple JavaScript code that will be loaded on user's browser when they open our website. Step 1 is to download a free website template. Let's get started and download from onepagelove.com. Here you will be able to find hundreds of free awesome templates on which you can build your website. So let's go and visit onepagelove.com templates/free templates. I'm going to download this theme, Business is Now Digital. Just click on this theme and here you can click download HTML template and it will say your smash light download is being, and it has started downloaded as you can see on my screen. I'm going to open it. It's in my downloads folder, so let's open it. It's right here. I'm going to extract it and here you go. So if I open it, it will open it in my browser, and here you can see I have the fully functional one-page website on my computer. So what we are going to do in the next step is we are going to inject our JavaScript code that will track our users activity. So step 2 is to add our JavaScript user tracking code in the landing page, for example index.html, and save the file. So let's get started. I'm going to edit it with Sublime Text Editor. Here we have this code, and let's go to the very bottom of the page, and here we are going to add our JavaScript. So first of all we need to define a function called monitor activity. Monitor activity, this is a generic function and it will be listening for different activities on different events. Activity, initial, load, reload. The second one we are going to capture is window.onKey press event. On this event we will be firing activity key press function. The next one is on click function, window.on click, and it is assigned to activity user click function. Now we are going to do window on scroll function, and it will be assigned to activity scroll. The last one here we will be looking at is window.on mouse down, but we won't be using it as we are already capturing on click function. We can enable window on mouse if we want. It detects the movement of mouse on the screen. So there are other things that we can add is if the user is idle for 5 seconds, we can alert that there haven't been no activity on the website. We can implement that later. So let's move ahead and add the activity functions. The first one is actual activity initial reload. So just copy this function here, and I'm going to say, and here we can say console.log load or reload detected by user. The next function is activity key press. So we can say, copy it from here, say key press detected by the user, or we can say key pressed by the user, load or reload done by the user. Similarly, we can have another function which is called on user click, and it says user click detected. Okay, and the last one we are going to implement is activity scroll. So scroll detected. Okay, and this is our functionality at the moment, and out of this monitor activity function we can just call monitor activity function and trigger it. So let's save this file, and now I'm going to the browser, going to open the console here and refresh the page has been refreshed. So if you see, when I'm scrolling, I'm getting scroll detected. If I click, it says user click detected. If I press a key, it says key pressed by the user. So we are detecting all type of activity, almost all type of activities by the users. You can even get exact pinpoint X and Y coordinate where the user is clicking, and the scroll X or Y position where the user is being scrolled, and so on. So the next step 3 is to test our code. Now just open the landing page on your computer locally and open the developer tools like I did. Console tab to see whether user actions are being recorded or not. Step 4 is to send these user actions to the server by an AJAX call, and server will be able to know the type of device user is using, their IP address, the activity they have done so far, and so on. I am not covering step 4 in this video training, but will surely do tomorrow in second part. I hope that you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you need any help, feel free to contact me at umehmood@gmail.com. You can visit my LinkedIn channel, LinkedIn account, or my Twitter handle. See you next time with a new topic in JavaScript.